Okay, welcome to this analysis. We're going to look at some stocks here, and the criteria I'm looking for is stocks that have good seasonal to the uptrend, okay, and that are confirming bullish with the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so we're going to go through a list here, and I'll put the strikes that I recommend here. You can see right here. Let's go to the first one, Under Armour stock UA. Okay, you can see the symbol right here. And let me just open up Windows and the data right here. Okay. And you can see the next, on a 30-day, we have a 7-1 heading to the upside here. So we have a nice bullish trade heading up to the upside. Now when I click over right here and I go to the cloud, okay, several factors that I look for. One, I want to see the cloud bullish. Two, I want to see this blue line above the red line. Okay, so this would be one, this would be two. I want to see the the Chico span above the candle that it's directly above. Okay, so that's three. Four, I want to see price, the current price, above the cloud. And five, which would be the perfect setup if we were also above the price, current price, which is this last candle above. But we got 4 out of the 5, and we got some real strong seasonality here. So I like Under Armour. I'm going to take an in the money call here. The UA 8250 August call. Okay, let's go to the next one, AMT. Okay, I'm going to put right here AMT, which is American Tower. Okay, and we can see we have nice long seasonality here. Okay, if I look for the 60-day move here, okay, you can see how it's a 9-1 heading to the upside. Now when I go look at it on the cloud here, I like that it's just breaking out of this cloud right here. Okay, it's just getting out of this cloud. The cloud is bullish. Chico span just crossed the blues above the red, so we got a nice trade set up here on AMT. Okay, so AMT, I'm looking at a 9250 August call. Now let's look at Ralph Lauren. RL, symbol RL. Okay. And if you look at Ralph Lauren, and we just look at the positive right here, you can see how we have an 8-2 heading up, and if we put it out to 60 days right here, okay, 60 days, we got an 8-2, 13% move coming up. Now, there's several reasons, too, that I like. If we look right here, and you can see how the MACD has been diverging up. And when I put on the cloud right here, okay, you can see how we're also breaking out of the cloud. And the cloud just turned, if I zoom out right here, the cloud just turned color, blue above red, Chico span above. We're just breaking out of the cloud here. So I like Ralph Lauren, RL on a 130 August call. Let's look at TSCO. Okay. And we have a nice long seasonality right here. 8-2 heading up here. 10%. If we look on a strong 60 days, we're also in that period too. Let's look at it based on the cloud here. and you can see how we have a bullish cloud. Okay, we got the blue above the red. We got the Chico span. Ideally, the only thing we would have is um, this price above this blue line too, breaking out of above the blue line. Okay, but still very strong trade. I like the TSCO 90 August call. Okay, let's look at PVH. Okay, we're just looking at the ones already filtered. I did all the research for you guys, the ones that are with a strong cloud setup and good seasonality. Obviously, you can pass any additional filter that you guys use here. You can see how we have a nice long seasonality heading up here. Okay, if I zoom it out here, you can see how we broke this resistance back here, which is now held as support. And when I go over to the cloud right here, very strong cloud signal. Right here it broke out of the cloud, then it's kind of gone sideways, but you can see how the blue is clearly above the red. Bullish candle, Chico span, long seasonality. I think we'll have a continuation. It's just flagging right now, making a flag, and as soon as we break out, we're going to have another big move to the upside with PVH right here. So I like the stock. PVH 115 August call. Let's look at HBI. Sorry, HBI. Okay. And we could see real nice seasonality here. 6 and 2 from June 23rd to August 4th. 14% run up here. This one we can't. I think the data is a little off here, but we could see it here on stock charts. If I put HBI and I put it the Ichimoku cloud full. Okay, you can see right here. I really like this very strong Ichimoku setup heading into a high right here, where it just bounced off, pulls off. But if we're gonna break this high, we're gonna get a real major move to the upside here. That's why I like this HBI 33 August call. Okay, let's look at MTB, which is MT Bank right there. And when we look at MT Bank, we got a nice seasonal move up here. Just put positive right here. That could do, especially the next, say, 20 days right here. Okay, we got an 8 and 2 move heading to the upside right here. And if we go to MT Bank, and I'll just load up MTB right here, you can see how it's setting up very strong move. Okay, this is coordinating this little small pullback. Obviously this is going to held as a resistance, which is now support, and I expect another continuation move to the upside. Let's look at DHI, and you can see DHI, I really like this one because it's breaking out to the upside right here. All the confirmations of the cloud, and we have you can see this candlestick signal. This is a very bullish. You see it pulled back. This is a hammer and then an inverted hammer. Okay, long wick and then an inverted hammer right here, looking to take off to the upside right here. So I think and if we place it on the seasonal chart right here, okay, we got the small move up. Obviously we do get some pullbacks, but I really like that on that breakout of that cloud here. Okay, so I think even though the seasonality is not great on it, we'll still get a move to the upside there. Let's look at FDO. And FDO Again, this is the ideal setup right when it's breaking out of the cloud. Bullish, bullish, bullish right here. This one's a perfect. It meets all the 5. You can see how the price is also above that blue line, which is the Tekken line and the Chico span right here. And sorry, FDO. And this one has a nice long seasonal to the upside. Okay. And you can see right here, especially right here, big move. Let's actually bring it down to 10-day move right there. I'm sure we could probably get 15 days and get the best period right there. You can see it's an 8 and 2, 6% move. Okay, so I really like FDO. Probably looking one of the best ones right there. I like the 77.50 August call. Okay, let's look at TIF. And Tiffany's another one I like. We had that big move right here, kind of gone sideways. The only thing I would like to see is that Chico span get back above the candles, and I get a nice bull candle here. But I think Tiffany will really run up, and I'll go try that 100 price level. Usually when a stock goes over that 90 level, it's going to go and get a magnet to that 90, and I like the upward seasonal. That's why I'm getting in on this one. I think we're going to, especially has gone sideways here, doing this flag right here. You can see how it big move, and then sideways. And then I think we'll get another continuation run and test that 100 level right there. Okay, so I like TIF. Let's look at MOS, M-O-S. Okay, and you can see MOS breaking out of the cloud right here, just getting out of the cloud right here. Bull signal. And if we look at MOS, okay, it's a slight move right here. Okay, and it's small. We look at 10-day move right there. Actually, maybe a 15-day move. It's 6 and 4, and then you get a 7 and 3. So it's not perfect there, but I do like that breakout right there. Okay, so MOS 45 August call. Let's look at CELG. And you can see right here, nice breakout out of the cloud too. Bullish. This meets all the 5 Ichimoku criteria. And if I go to CELG, we got a nice, very nice seasonality. Actually, 2 periods of seasonality, an 8 and 2 and a 9 and 1. So this one's another excellent trade right here. A very high probability, especially when you line up every cloud, just the breakout, and you get every setup, and then you get the seasonal lining up with it. You get a very powerful, high probability trade there. Look at Alexin Pharmaceutical. I initially took it right here, pulled up, pulled back. Now it's heading back up here. Now it's back up again, that above that occasion. Very strong bullish signal here, and you can see the power here of using the cloud here, and you get a nice strong seasonality, 8 and 2 heading up here. Okay, so you can see when you line up seasonal with the cloud, you got very high probable setups. This is one that I took. Didn't have the seasonal setup, but it had the nice breakout right here of the cloud on Facebook, and now getting ready to go up here. Okay, so hope you enjoy this analysis. If you want to subscribe and get the software, the Seasonality trader software, I'm going to include with the software purchase, obviously you're going to get the software, the data, but you're also going to get every Sunday night. Okay, you're going to get the video of the analysis, looking at trades with good seasonality and good cloud breakouts. This is the system that I like to use. Okay, so feel free to email me, Vicente Luz at Yahoo, vicenteluz at yahoo.com. Any questions you may have on any of these trades and any feedback. Thanks. See you guys in the next video.